Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. In our process, Adu Gurvasram Sadharma Pricha, one has to accept the bona fide spiritual master and he has to inquire from him. Sadharma Pricha. Similarly, in the Srimad Bhagavatam also says that Jiggasu Shreya Uttamam, one who is inquisitive to understand the absolute truth, he requires a spiritual master. Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Shreya Uttamam. Jigyasu means inquisitive, one who inquires. Inquiry is natural, just like a child. With the development of his life, he inquires from the parents, father, what it is, mother, what it is, what it is, what it is. This is nice. A boy, a child who is inquiring, that means he is very intelligent. So we should be intelligent and inquire. Jigyasa, Brahma Jigyasa. This life is for Brahma Jigyasa, to understand, to inquire about God. Then life is successful. Athaga Brahma Jigyasa. And after inquiring, understanding, then what is the ultimate state? That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanavan Mang Prapadda. After many births of inquiry, when one becomes actually a wise man, man of knowledge, then what happens? Bahunam Janmanamante Jnanavan Mang Prapadda. He surrenders unto me, Krishna. Why? Vasudeva Sarvami. He understands that Vasudeva Krishna is the cause of all causes. Some Mahatma Sudurlabha, but such kind of great soul is very rare to understand. Therefore Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Sivara Chotu is very intelligent. So these are the definition of intelligent person. So, if we want to be intelligent, we can adopt the process how to become intelligent. But on the other hand, if we are actually intelligent, why not take this Krishna consciousness immediately and become intelligent? Without going to the process. You take. It is offered to you by the most magnanimous incarnation, Lord Chaitanya. He is offering it. Krishna Prema Pradayat is giving you love of Krishna. Rupa Goswami offered his obeisances to Lord Chaitanya. Namo Mahavananaya. Krishna Prema Pradayat. Oh, my dear Lord Chaitanya, you are the most charitable, magnanimous of all incarnations. Why? Because you are directly giving love of Krishna. The love of Krishna which cannot be achieved after many births, you are delivering cheaply, take it, immediately. Namo Mahavananaya Krishna Prema Pradayati Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanyaya. They could understand that you are Krishna. Otherwise, it was not possible by anyone to offer Krishna Prem, love of Krishna, so cheaply. You are Krishna, you have got that power. And actually he is so. Krishna failed to give Krishna prema, love of Krishna, when he came personally and taught Bhagavad Gita. He simply said, Sarvadharman parittajya mamekam saranam vraja. But people misunderstood him. Therefore Krishna came as a devotee and offered Krishna prema to the people in general. So, our request to everyone that you take this Krishna consciousness movement and you will feel that I don't want any more, anything more. I am satisfied, fully satisfied. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna